going to see problem number 1446, that is to tell the number of the consecutive characters in a string. So basically let's read the question. Given a string S, the power of the string is the maximum length of a non-empty substring that contains only one unique character. That is, we have to tell the non-empty substring that contains only one unique character. So for example, Leetcode. So the string double E is of length 2 with the character E only. So the output is 2. That is, this is one of the substring that is consisting of the unique characters. Similarly, if we see here, so one of the substring will be double B, then triple C, then 4 times D, then 5 times E, and then no other unique. So this 5 times E is the largest and unique. So remember, we have to return the maximum or the largest substring. Similarly 5 times O, and similarly 11 times A. So this is the question. So see, basically this question is very simple, and it can be done in this way. So check if the next element is same as previous. So if I am iterating through each, and if I check that my next character is the same as the previous character, then I can make use of a count, then increase the count, and basically in order to find the max, just store the count in a max variable. So basically it's same as iterating over and just taking care of number of times the particular character is repeated. So suppose if we take this as substring, so in this what we will do, we will just start from here and iterate to the next character and see if this I plus 1 character in the string is equal to my ith character. If it is, then I will increase the count by 1, and then the third character I will check. So if this is equal to the previous, that means it is same, I will increase the count. And as soon as my next character is different from the current character, what I will do, I will reset the count value to its original, and that way I will keep on calculating, and since at a particular time I will get a maximum, I will store that count in a maximum. So let's start. In order to do this, what we need to iterate over the string I. We can have a loop I less than. Now what is size of the string is s dot length will give us the size. So size, iterate over its size for I minus 1, because we are going to take I plus 1. So hence I have done that. So if s dot character at I is equal to s dot character I plus 1. So yes, this way what we are doing is we are comparing the characters at the ith value and at the I plus 1th value. Now if this is the case, I need to increase the count plus plus. So let's declare the variables that we might need. I'm setting it as count equal to 1, because if a substring is a character only and it's not repeating, then also it is a substring and has a value 1. I will initialize the max as 1, because that is, if my string is not 0, then max value is going to be 1, and I can use this case as well. If a string, if size is equal to 0, then I can return 0 as my maximum value, because there is no size. So again, let's start. So we will iterate over each character and see if the ith character is equal to the I plus 1th character. If it is equal, I will increase the count, and also I will say if count is greater than the max value, then I will store that sorry, I will store that count as a max. Max equal to count. Now if my this condition is not satisfying, that is my character is changing, suppose BB I counted it and next character is C, so I don't need to count again, I need to reset the count value. In order to do that, here I can write the else condition. Else if the characters are not equal, then I will reset the count to 1. So if it is done, then I will just return the max value. So basically what we are doing is we are just seeing if my ith character is equal to the I plus 1th character. If it is, then we are storing the value in the count and making it increase by 1, and if my character is changing, then I am just resetting it to 1. So let's run this. Compile, cannot find size. Assignment is the int easier assignment. So yes, it is getting submit accepted. Let's check for a base case like CC. Yes, it is getting submitted, and let's test one custom. Let's submit it. So yes, it is getting submitted. This is like the best you can do. Remember, what we have to do is we have to take character by character and store the count. So this way we can solve this problem. Very good problem for practice. Thanks for watching.